Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how to use ChatGPT for coding. Now ChatGPT is widely being used to write different types of codes, debugging and just enhancing the creativity of coders. So let's say that I want to write a C++ code that prints different asterisk designs. So I can simply type in a prompt, write a C++ code that prints out different star patterns. Simply enter your button and you can see for a couple of moments a code snippet will pop up and you can see it is writing code for us, and just wait for a couple of moments until it completes. Sometimes you have an option to continue generating in here, so make sure to press that and you can see all of these amazing stars patterns will be generated. Now let's test if this code is working into our compiler. So you have this option to copy your code, as you can see on the top of your code snippet. Simply copy that and head over to your compiler and paste your code there and click on run. And once you do so, you can see it is asking for to enter the pattern 1 and 4. We're going to be typing here 1 and press enter. It is asking enter the number of rows. We're going to be entering 4 and press enter. So you can see the pattern 1 is created, which was on our code. As you can see in here, this was it, and it's saying that pattern is also in here. So it wrote a totally customizable code, which is really impressive, and that's how you can use ChatGPT for coding. And I really hope you found this video informative. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.